So the answer is always of the type a plus b e raised to lambda t, and values of a, b and lambda depend upon the coefficients a, b and c, and also initial condition, constant of initial condition, right? Now those who have not got the answer either for this or for this you can start with initial condition LO0 as 0, and this you can start with initial condition LO0 as 0.875, or you can start with something other than 0. 0.875 in calculation it will be difficult, so you can start with, or you can also start with 1, or you can start with k. So k you can put anything. K you can put anything. This you can also start with k, but at least do one thing clearly with known value. So how will you is the question? Now the problem is simplified. How? Means earlier you were asked to find out the complete answer. Now that task is made simpler. It is just like a descriptive type question into MCQ. Conventional exam you have to write everything, and in MCQ you have to find out which of the options is correct. Like here, this question, find the expression for LOT, expression is given to you and only A, B and C are to be found out. How will you find it now? How will you find them out now? For this first case, dLOT by dt, this everybody must be able to solve. Those who can't can again watch the YouTube. Right? Means we are given the answer. Only thing is that some variables are to be found out. Type of answer is given, actual values are to be found out. So what is LOT now? We start with LOT is equal to A plus B e raised to lambda. Now what will you do? We will find out its dL by dt. What it would be? A will be leading to 0, lambda b raised to lambda t. Right? Before that, if you are more wise, rather than differentiating it here, you will use this initial condition first. What initial condition will you use? LO0 is 0. So what is LO0 here? A plus B e raised to lambda t. At t equal to 0, e raised to lambda t is 1. Right? So it is A plus B into 1. Right? That is B is equal to 1. Means you will make it simple. So what is B? B is equal to 1 minus A. B is, sorry. 0. So what is B? B equal to minus A. Is it right? B equal to minus A. So I will further the general expression for solution of the type A plus B e raised to lambda t. For this initial condition, it becomes A minus A e raised to lambda t. Is it right? So it is A minus A e raised to lambda. Is it right? This is what? This is LOT now. Means LOT further, what we can say, simplified for given initial condition. Now what is dLOT by dt? Minus lambda A e raised to lambda. What is this? This is the equation 1, equation 2. Use both of them in the given equation. Is it right? This and this. So what we get? What is dLOT by dt? Minus lambda A e raised to lambda. What is LOT? A minus plus minus a e raised to lambda t equal to 1. Is it right? So what this is now? What this is leads to? Can I write like this? A minus what we can have? Lambda a. So a into bracket 1 plus lambda e raised to lambda t is equal to 1. Is it right? Is it okay? It's very simple. यात काय म्हणजे हे यायलाच पाहिजे. कदाचित फास्ट केलंय, प्रत्येकाला हवं कधी यायलाच पाहिजे. नाव कुठले कुठले अप्लाय काढायचे आन्सर मध्ये ए बी आता काउंट करा. म्हणजे आता फॉर गिवन प्रॉब्लेम the answer is simple. That is what is a, what is LOT? A minus a is to म्हणजे त्यामध्ये a आणि लॅम्बडा दोन व्हॅल्यू काढायचे. only two unknowns are there. Now from this how many unknowns are in this equation? Two, a and lambda. How many equations are there? एकच आहे. Then can I find two unknowns from one equation? Yes? Is it? LOT is equal to a minus a e raised to lambda t. A and lambda to be found out. The unknowns we found out are 2. Equation is 1. मग एका इक्वेशन वरून दोन अननोन काढता येतील का? नाही. This is not one equation. There are two equations. यात दोन इक्वेशन एकत्र आहेत. जोड्या जोड्या लावायच्या. म्हणजे कशा? e raised to lambda t असलेल्या टर्म्स आणि e raised to lambda t नसलेल्या टर्म्स. हे नुसतं हे नाही आहे. 2x plus 3y equal to 5 असं इक्वेशन नाही आहे. There is lambda t. There is lambda t. इथं लॅम्बडा टी असल्यामुळे काय होणार आहे? लॅम्बडा टी असल्यामुळे काय होणार? इथे लॅम्बडा टी असल्यामुळे काय होईल? येईल उत्तर करता? दोन, एक अगदी गावठी पद्धत सांगतो आणि एक स्टँडर्ड पद्धत सांगतो. गावठी पद्धत काय? e raised to lambda. There is one left hand side, there is one right hand side. Left hand side मधल्या e raised to lambda t नसलेल्या टर्म्स एकत्र करायच्या, असलेल्या टर्म एकत्र करायच्या. राईट हँड साइडला पण e raised to lambda t असलेल्या नसलेल्या. So when this equation to hold good, two equations to hold good. e raised to lambda t चे coefficients on left hand side and e raised to lambda t चे coefficient on right hand side should be same. आणि e raised to lambda t नसलेल्या टर्म्स on left hand side on the right hand side should be same. So here what I find, we now collect the coefficients where e raised to lambda t is not there. Terms किती आहेत? a आणि 1. So a is equal to 1. Direct answer. Once I get a equal to 1, I put that 1 minus 1 plus lambda e raised to lambda t is equal to 1. बरोबर? Then it gets cancelled. It gets meaningless. 1 plus e raised to lambda t equal to 0. बरोबर आहे? आता किंवा दुसरी वे आहे, त्याचे एक फार फार जायचं नाही. हे एक स्टँडर्ड झालं. या साइडला e raised to lambda t असले, e raised to lambda t मल्टिप्लायचे कोएफिशिएंट किती आहेत? हा. या साइडला किती आहे? 0. म्हणजे काय? a मायनस आहे 1 प्लस लॅम्बडा e raised to कोएफिशिएंट फक्त ऍड करायचे इक्वल टू 0. a इक्वल टू किती आहे? 1 प्लस लॅम्बडा इक्वल टू 0 म्हणजे लॅम्बडा इक्वल टू म्हणजे आन्सर काय a मायनस a e रेस टू लॅम्बडा टी होतं म्हणजे 1 मायनस 1 e रेस टू इज इट राईट इज इट ओके आता स्टँडर्ड पद्धतीनं कसं काढायचं स्टँडर्ड पद्धतीनं हा नाही नाही तेवढं नको हे 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 कसं सोडवायचं ह्याच्यातनं आन्सर काढायचे ए आणि लॅम्बडा काय टाकायचं this is true for all the time this is true for all the time if this is true for all the time तर problem what is the problem a is there lambda is there and there is a problem for all time this is true so you put value of t such that this term will disappear at t equal to minus infinity the equation reduces to equal to म्हणजे मी काय सांगितलं जोड्या करायच्या टर्म असलेल्या टर्म नसलेल्या इक्वल मायनस 1 म्हणजे ते मायनस 1 आलं काय करायचं x इक्वल टू 1 1 मायनस 1 प्लस लॅम्बडा e टू लॅम्बडा t इज इक्वल टू 1 त्याच्यावर आन्सर कसं काढायचं लॅम्बडा कसं काढायचं मग t 0 करायचं when t is 0 this becomes 1 right lambda equal to minus 2 is it all right is it okay आज पास हो रहा था